What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy GLX back with another video for y'all, man. In this video, y'all, I'm gonna be telling y'all a story about how I joined the 5 a.m. club, bro. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the video, y'all, and smash that like button. Comment down below what you want me to see next, what you want me to make next, bro. Let's get straight into it, y'all. So, first of all, what is the 5 a.m. club, bro? I mean, pretty much y'all should know. I mean, pretty much y'all can know based off the name. 5 a.m. club means you wake up at 5 a.m. And bro, at first, bro, I did not know that it was even a club for real. I didn't even know like it was a thing for real. You feel what I'm saying? I did not know that the 5 a.m. club was like people. Not only was it like a trend, people were actually doing this shit like for like their health. I did that shit for me, my mental, you feel what I'm saying, and my discipline. And first off, let's go back to like how I even started doing this, like why I started doing this in the first place, right? So, there was this girl who works where I work at, and she's my coworker. She basically was telling me how everybody at my job, basically, I'm the new guy at my job, right? And it's a restaurant, and I have not worked at a restaurant before. So basically, she was telling me about, oh yeah, everybody is saying how like you look, it seems like you have not worked at a restaurant before, and this and that. And I was like, okay, I mean that's cool because like literally, I haven't, so I don't really know what the fuck to tell you. But then she started going like, yeah, but then honestly, like they all kind of say like the same thing. They're all like, it seems like it seems like he never had to work hard a day in his life, and like he got everything from mommy and daddy. But understand, mommy and daddy ain't gonna help you. And I was taking it back for a second because mommy and daddy, seriously, I don't even have a car yet, and then when I talk about I got everything from mommy and daddy, I seem like I got everything from mommy and daddy. It wasn't more of like, it wasn't so, it was not like the fact that they saw that of me, which is why which is why it kind of made me upset. It's just the fact that when I thought about it, it low key made a little bit of sense to me, because at the time I was low key kind of drifting. I was not really like taking that job seriously, and I had just quit this other job because I wanted to focus on YouTube. So I was not really taking anything seriously, and I realized this when she was talking. I wasn't upset at her or anything. I was upset at myself because I realized she low key right. She low key cooking. You feel what I'm saying? Like she wasn't even saying to be a hater. She was just saying it because she like from like person to person. You feel what I'm saying? So I took what she said with a grain of salt, and I was like, you know what, you know what, you know what I'm saying? Like, thank you, man. As a man, I appreciate you coming to me with this. You feel what I'm saying? With this information, genuinely telling me what I could be working on. You feel what I'm saying? I told her. When I got home that day, bro, I don't know why. I was pissed off. And I was very, very irritated. I don't know what even compelled me to do this, but I set my alarm for 5 a.m. tomorrow. And once that alarm went off, I did not want to get up at all. Like, you know how you get that 3 a.m. motivation, bro, and like the next day, all that shit is dead. I mean, we talk about motivation on this channel a lot. Motivation is dead, and this is a prime example. Motivation is not how you become rich, bro. Motivation does not do shit. And this is where I started to learn that shit, because before I kind of always relied on locking in and motivation. So I would have these spouts of like, I would be motivated for a week to do this one thing, and then by the end of the week, I would see how hard it was, I would quit. Basically, I used to be a quitter. You feel me? And that really compelled me even more to start changing myself. So when I felt like I did not want to get up, I saw that and I'm just like, okay, excuse me. Okay, I understand it now. This is me. This is what This is why this is why I seem like I got everything from mommy and daddy, because I don't want to do certain shit that's hard. And I told myself, something came to my mind, and I told myself, if somebody told me that I would get rich today if I woke up at 5 a.m., I would wake up at 4 a.m. Let me say that again, right? If somebody told me today that I would get rich if I woke up at 5 a.m., I would wake up at 4 a.m. Because that's how bad I want to get rich. Waking up at 5 a.m. is a minor inconvenience compared to getting rich for me. And it made sense in my mind, because in my mind, getting rich is already there. I just have to put in the hard work. And I'm realizing that now I have to put in the hard work. So I got up at 5 and I went to the gym. And this gym opens actually at 5, so I got there about like 6. I rode the bus to the gym, and basically nobody was there. And once I saw that basically nobody was there, it kind of like snapped something in my mind, because understand that nobody wants to wake up at 5 a.m. People who are part of the 5 a.m. club, who are part of the 5 a.m. club, like nobody wants to wake up at 5 a.m. We don't want to wake up at 5 a.m. I do it because I know if I can do this hard thing every single day, there ain't nothing that I can't do. You feel what I'm saying? The getting rich is like is like a piece of cake if I can do this. Like, or doing this every day, a piece of cake. You feel what I'm saying? That's light work compared to what I gotta do to get rich. So let me flip it around. If I can't even do this, what makes me think that I deserve to even try to get rich? You feel what I'm saying? If I can't even wake up at 5 a.m., doing this hard thing is easy compared to what I got to do to get rich. If I can't even do this, what makes me think I can get rich? You feel what I'm saying? If I can't stay disciplined to wake up at this time, what makes me think I can stay disciplined to get rich and stay rich? You feel me? That was really my mindset at the time, and that's still my mindset. That's why I still wake up at 5 a.m. And I couldn't. My mom was actually asking me, like, why are you waking up at 5 a.m.? Just wait until like 7. Like, it's late at night. It's like dark. Nobody's gonna be out. And I was like, I couldn't even explain to her why, but I knew there was a reason why I had to do this. I couldn't explain to her. I couldn't understand, like, when you're on the right path, bro. You're gonna sound crazy to a lot of people. Like, you won't be able to explain yourself why you do certain things, bro. But at a certain point, you won't need to, because you're going to become rich. But you won't need to explain yourself to certain people, bro. I couldn't explain to her why I wanted to be waking up at 5 a.m. I couldn't explain to her why, but I just did. You feel what I'm saying? She always be asking me, just stay. I'm just like, no. Why? I don't know. I just have to. It's what I have to do. You feel me? So after I got back from the gym, and it was when I realized, like, damn, it's only like 9 a.m. I got so much time to do YouTube now. Because before, this is about the time that I would wake up at. And I still want to go to the gym. By that time, it will be like, when I get back from the gym, it would be like 1 o'clock. I barely have enough time to do YouTube. And now I'm like, I have to get ready for work. I have to shower, get ready for work, everything. You feel what I'm saying? But when you wake up early, you understand that now, like, the day, you have so much time in the day to do what you got to do. You feel me? Like, the day is so young. You got so much time to do what you got to do. Everybody's waking up now, but now you're already up. Understand that when you wake up early, bro, by the time everybody else is trying just waking up, everybody else is just getting their mind prepared. Your mind is already in that mode. You feel me? Especially if you work out. Hey, bro, here's some tip for y'all, bro. Work out in the morning. It makes your mind, like, ready to attack the day, bro. So understand, like, if you wake up at 5 a.m., by the time it's 9 a.m., everybody's already waking up, bro. You already in that mode. You're already like let's go. You feel what I'm saying? You've already woken up. You feel me? And now everybody's already rising, but you've already risen. You feel what I'm saying? And the 5 a.m. club, to me, it isn't just a trend or a club. It's not just something I would do for like 30 days. It's just to see how it is. I see it as a part of life. Like, I'm going to wake up at 5 a.m. every single day. And the day that I saw, like, oh, the 5 a.m. club, I'm just like, oh, it's a trend? What? So that means I know why it works now, because it's like rich people do it. You feel what I'm saying? And it's because, again, if you're willing to do what nobody else does, you'll go very far. Everybody wants to be rich, but nobody wants to get rich. Let me say that again. Everybody wants to be rich, but nobody wants to get rich. What that means is everybody wants to have the money, but nobody wants to put in the work for that money. Everybody wants to be able to buy things without looking at the price tag, but nobody wants to work without looking at the clock. You feel what I'm saying? I'm cooking in here, aren't I? I feel like I'm cooking in here, you feel me? Nobody wants to put in the hard work. So you understand that when you at least waking up at 5 a.m., bro, it's such a small change to your life, but it affects your life in so many ways. Because in the most significant way is that you get more confident, because you understand, like, I'm waking up every single day at 5 a.m. Like, what more can I do? You feel me? I didn't think I was the type of person to wake up at 5 a.m. But now I'm seeing I am. What more can I do? It's like you're pushing yourself in a way. Like, what more can you do? You find out what you're made of. You feel me? What more can you do in life to get rich? If this is what it takes to get rich, what more can I do to get even more rich? You feel me? If it's like you're doing what nobody else wants to do, all your competitors, bro, are not waking up at 5 a.m. They're waking up at like 9 a.m., 10 a.m., bro. Sometimes even like 12. They're not built from the same cloth. They're not cut from the same cloth. You feel me? They're not built like you. They're not waking up at 5 a.m., bro. When you realize that, it's like, oh shit, I'm actually doing this stuff nobody else is doing. You feel what I'm saying? That's why I wake up at 5 a.m., bro, because it's really good for me, for my mental. You feel me? But that's all I got for y'all, man. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the video, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching the whole thing, man. We out.